Hey, it's Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic. What I'd like to do today is show you the vehicle that I just recently bought. Any of you that watch my channel normally know that I'm a big fan of the Volts. I actually have two of them, and I like the idea of the electric. Especially it's nice when the price of gas is rising again right now and going up, and I can plug this in and get miles out of it. Some people in my comments on my channel sort of accused me of being a tree hugger, and well, first off, I always said no, I'm not a tree hugger because I got a 2500 HD Duramax diesel truck, which I use when I have to. It's just I like driving the Volts and I like the concept. So what I'm going to do now, as far as showing you what I'm going to show you, is sort of blow that tree hugger concept out of the water just a little further. So without any further ado, let's go see. This, folks, is my very non-tree hugger vehicle. This is a 2011 Chevrolet Camaro 1SS that I just recently purchased. I've wanted one of these cars since they came out new with this body style, because it has the older looking body style, which I really like. There's a story behind the black with the stripes on it. These are silver. I wanted white stripes, but anyhow, there's a story behind why I wanted this particular color scheme, but we won't get into that because people say I talk too much. But this is the car that I wanted. This is a manual shift, 6-speed, and it has the LS3 Chevy engine in it, 6.2 liter. I've been driving the car and I absolutely love it. This thing is fun to drive, runs like a bear, and of course, since it's under warranty, I've been making sure that the things are gonna hold up, let's say. But anyhow, I'll give you a better look at the car. We'll pop the hood, we'll pop the trunk, walk around it, open the doors, look in the interior, and show you what this baby looks like. And maybe if you're real nice, we'll fire it up and just rumba a little bit. So we'll show you what the engine and the engine bay looks like. I mean, nothing exciting. It has the K&N filter on it. But one of the things that myself and my brother-in-law, who was another, Chevy person for many years, noticed, and we know about new cars, is look at all that room in there. Isn't that amazing? In the front, if you have to do something, you don't see that too much anymore. But that actually is the engine bay, what it looks like. I know not a whole lot of excitement there, but what are you going to do? So, and there's what the trunk area looks like. I know, nothing exciting, but that's what she looks like. And then we'll go to the interior. This is, I mean, it has some goodies, but compared to what you can get, it's basically no frills. Down here, that's where you open your trunk. That's that part. Let me, actually, you can see the inside here. Let me get in, and we'll show you the dash and get the door thing dinging so people can be upset by that. So this is what the inside looks like. Not too much to it. You got your regular radio, and of course, like I said, you got your 6-speed manual transmission. But that's pretty much what you got. That's pretty much it. And I like the way it's laid out. I like the manual transmission so far. So, all right, let's take you out of the car. We'll get you up and get you set back up, and we'll start her. You know, I can say with running my volts and not having messed around with anything that has that throaty growl to it in years, I miss it. Volts are great for what you want to use them for, but just to listen to that and do it, that's pretty cool. So there you have it, my new ride, 2011 Camaro 1SS, something to play with, something to mess with. We'll just see what we decide to do with it, if anything. But it's a pretty clean car, low miles. I don't know if I mentioned it, there's only 34,000 miles on it. I'm pretty sure one owner, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to show you and give you an idea of what it looks like and what I've been up to. So, this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying once again, just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bull! How could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten! How dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!